Have you ever wondered what mint is actually good for beyond just being a garnish? In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of mint, how you can use it in your everyday life, and even a simple recipe you can try at home. Let's get into it. Mint is more than just a garnish. It's a lifestyle ingredient. Fresh, vibrant, and incredibly versatile. This simple green herb can transform your meals, support your health, and bring a refreshing energy into your everyday life. Mint is an aromatic herb known for its cooling taste and refreshing scent. It's been used around the world for centuries, not just in cooking, but also in natural remedies and everyday wellness routines. Whether fresh or dried, mint has a way of instantly brightening whatever it touches. One of the reasons mint is so popular is because of its natural health benefits. It's commonly used to support digestion, helping ease bloating and calming the stomach. Mint can also give a refreshing boost to your mind, helping you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Its clean, cooling flavor also makes it a go-to for freshening breath and creating that crisp, revitalizing feeling. But beyond the physical benefits, mint also offers something simple yet powerful: a sense of calm. Even its aroma can help create a more relaxing environment. What makes mint truly special is how versatile it is. You can add it to drinks like tea, lemonade, or infused water for an instant refresh. It works beautifully in both sweet and savory dishes, whether you're adding it to salads, blending it into sauces, or using it as a garnish. Even a small amount can completely change the flavor, adding brightness, balance, and a clean finish. One of the easiest ways to enjoy mint is by making a simple mint tea. Start by rinsing fresh mint leaves, then place them into a cup. Pour hot water over the leaves and let it steep for a few minutes. As the mint infuses, it releases its natural aroma and refreshing flavor. The result is a calming, soothing drink that's perfect any time of day. To keep your mint fresh longer, store it like flowers, placing the stems in water and loosely covering the leaves. You can also freeze or dry mint to enjoy it later in drinks and recipes. Mint is more than just a plant. It's a bridge between flavor, wellness, and creativity. So, next time you see fresh mint, don't overlook it. Use it, enjoy it, and bring a little more freshness into your everyday life. That's it for today's ingredient spotlight. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more ingredient spotlights. This is Chef Jade. See you in the next spotlight.